Ever since last week, I have had flower crowns in my mind nonstop. I can't stop thinking about making my own. So today I am doing it, I am making it, I've actually already created it. It is a combination of all the flowers that were up here on the wall and a few things in the garden, so I hope you enjoy. Hi everyone, I'm Gonzalez-Gibson with Kaleidoscopes Polka Dots, where I sell handmade, vintage-inspired jewelry for the soul who's in love with the past, wholeheartedly loves in the present, and embraces the future. If you enjoy videos relating to vintage fashion, jewelry, and books, then please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you never miss a video. I learned to make paper flowers using a kit by Sterling Innovation titled Beautiful Paper Flowers. It came with everything I needed: the paper, the tape, the wire, the bits and bulbs that make the flower flowery. So the footage that you're watching is actually me creating my very first set of flowers. I made my very first dahlia here and my first rose. The process was actually really simple. You just trace the shape of the petal for the flower that you're working with, and then you cut them out and you attach them to some wire using some floral tape. My one suggestion to you would be to use some good quality floral tape. Before I get started on walking you through the process that I went through to create my own flower crown, I just want to give credit, once again, where credit is due, because they definitely deserve it. I referenced a bunch of different videos, but I am mainly focusing on two of them. I hope you watch them because they are brilliant. I mean, much more than mine, but yeah, watch mine, okay? Let me know what you think about my own flower crown. I think I did a pretty good job. I don't know where I would ever wear this to. It's just a lot. I think it's just a personal preference, but I think for myself, for my head, I prefer not a full crown, but a half crown, kind of like a 1920s look headband situation. And I think that's probably what I'm gonna do next, just for myself, because why not? I have it. For my headband, I chose to use 2 pieces of 18 gauge jewelry wire, and I am choosing to braid them instead of attaching them with some floral tape. That is the recommendation. However, I thought that this wire was too pretty to cover. For the hook portion of the closure, I am using 30 gauge wire to keep the 2 strands together. To finish off the eye, I used 18 gauge wire, just a tiny bit, and this just helps keep that closure in place. Now comes the fun part, which is adding your foliage and your flowers to your headband. I recommend starting at the end where your closure is at, because as you start adding the foliage and your blossoms, you will ultimately be hiding the closure and not needing to add ribbon or anything to hide that closure. is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also sign up to my newsletter so that you never miss an episode, because that is where I share weekly updates about what's going on around here and other stuff. And until next time, I will talk to you again very soon. Bye. Oh, that's Penny. Say hi, Penny. Hi, Penny. Okay, I will talk to you soon.